Shop Talk. We're looking at a rare Super Pro 105 McCulloch chainsaw. This was made in the 70s. These were a limited edition. They were Bob McCullough's idea for making a consumer firewood saw, taking the big 125 McCulloch and having a smaller displacement and selling it to the consumer. And it didn't go over real big, so there was very few of these out there. This one's in great shape. We'll take a look at it. It's got a pretty rare bar. It's got about a 28-inch, 30-inch bar, and that's got that roller inside the bar tip. It's not a sprocket nose, it's a roller nose, but that roller is encased in the tip. This was made just for a very short time. 404 chain, skip tooth. And we'll look at some of the other features this saw had. Got the kill switch in the middle, chokes on the right, manual override on the oiler. It has an automatic oiler as well as a manual override. If you're cutting some big heavy wood, pitchy wood, pump that a few times. Got a throttle lock right here. Push that little lever in, that throttle locks it. The serial number is a model number or a matching number. It is a 105. Has a brand new air cleaner on it. It's a brand new air cleaner. And it's got a very rare factory half wrap handlebar. You don't see those on them. Most of them had the full wrap. And double falling spikes. Those are the Hadstone falling spikes. And the saw has been used, but it runs very well. Very clean. And I won't be going out and cutting with it. It's just too clean a saw. It does run very well though.